Conditional formatting is an easy way to make key insights pop by assigning colors to your widgets based on specific values. You can apply conditional formatting to number, table, and chart widgets using the Widget Properties panel in the Dashboard Designer. For number widgets, I can define a rule based on its value. You can color based on thresholds. Here, if the value is less than 2 million, let's set the text color to red. And if the value is 2 million or greater, let's set it to green. In a table widget, you can assign a simple rule to a single column, where the conditional formatting is based on another column, known as the reference column. Here, you can make the current column red or green depending on whether the reference column is above 500,000 or below 500,000. For charts, Analytics applies a different color for each measure by default. However, you can change the colors using a variety of conditional formatting options, based on measures or dimensions. I could set up a conditional formatting on a single measure, sum of amount, and use the out-of-the-box gradient functionality. Or I can define custom thresholds to create bins. For example, anything less than 100 million should be red. Anything greater than or equal to 200 million should be green, and anything in between should be yellow. Now you know how to customize number, table, and chart widgets with conditional formatting.